Hello, Victor here, making a video on how to install the StayLock tile perforated rubber tiles. I was making a video to let you know this is super easy. Even my 11-year-old can do it by herself, so I'm sure you can do it. As you can see, this is a super uneven floor, so this is a great option for you. Super nice. You see the edge right there. We have the fake grass on that side, so it's coming along really nice. There is that. Here's the box right there, and see you with the results. All right, so here is the end results. I think came out pretty good. This is probably your best option for uneven floor like mine, so check them out. greatmats.com. Thank you.